Hello there. This is how to fix the Instagram problem of incorrect password. So, if you're trying to log into your Instagram and it keeps giving you that error saying that it's an incorrect password, then there's a few things that you could do here. The first thing being is that you need to make sure that you're entering the correct password. And this is just by clicking on the show button right there, or the eye icon if you're using your phone, and just make sure that your password is correct letter for letter. And if that doesn't work, if it's still giving you, like, if you're sure that you have the correct password and it's still giving you an incorrect password error, then the second option is to just log in with Facebook. Now, if Facebook is logged in on your device, then you can use Facebook to just log into Instagram. Now, the last resort is to just click on forgot password and reset your password. So let me just click on that. And then it asks you for your email or the phone or the username on the Instagram profile. And once you enter that, it's just going to send you a link. You just enter that here, enter your email here, and then click on this send login link button. It will send you a link, and you just click on that link, reset your password, and be back on your account. So that's pretty much it when it comes to troubleshooting that incorrect password error. Hope that video is helpful.